Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ramadan Kareem to everyone. My name is Nur Arisa Mariam. I'm Japanese Muslim Revert. Today, I want to introduce Ramadan in Japan. I want to tell you what I do during Ramadan. Since I don't have anything to do, I always read the Quran.
Assalamualaikum. This is my shuffle on first day of Ramadan. Very simple, and the food name is okayu in Japanese. It's a rice porridge in Japanese. I'm eating with brown rice and pickled pan. Now it's 2:55 in Japan, so it's already Fajr time. I'm going to pray and read the Quran.
This Quran is Tafsir Japanese. So this is Japanese and this is Arabic. So I can understand what Quran says. And now I'm studying Arabic. So inshallah, one day I want to recite Quran with beautiful voice.
Assalamu alaikum. After the full prayer, I came to this shop to buy dates with my family. So I'm going to this dates for my iftar. Assalamu alaikum. In this shop there are two types of dates, and this one and this one. But I prefer this one to this one, so I'm going to buy this. Now I'm going to the masjid to pray Maghrib and have an iftar, because in Japan there are not so many masjids, so I need to take bus and the train to go to the masjid. It takes 1 hour or something, so let's go. Okay, now I'm at the station nearby Tokyo Jami Masjid, and I'm waiting my friends to come. Now we are at Tokyo Jami Masjid. Okay, let's go. Hey, finally! Alhamdulillah. I can't wait to eat. At Tokyo Jami Masjid, non-Muslim people are volunteer to help preparation of iftar.
사람 genki.
Genki desu, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, now we are eating eating iftar. They are non-Muslim Japanese, but they can join our iftar together. Let's go home. Alhamdulillah, I'm going back home from Tokyo Masjid. In Japanese way, fried vegetables are ready, and this is miso soup.
It's time to eat iftar! Yay! Rice, munyue, fried vegetables, miso soup, and tuna with soy sauce. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Happy iftar to everyone.
Alhamdulillah, I am so happy that I could spend the lovely day with my family and ate good iftar with them. Even though my family are not Muslims, they always support me and understand me. So one day, if you come to Japan, let's eat iftar together, inshallah. So, Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. My name is Kazuaki Sakurai. Yotsuji Hideaki. Abdur.
My name is Abdur Karim Shimoyama. I'm a Japanese Muslim.
日本人ムスリムのムハンマドと言います。で、私日本の名前は宮坂裕二と言いますね。私自身はね、はじめ今